everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me again today for Vlogmas Day 11. Today it's kinda chill, cozy, snowy day, clean with me. We didn't get much snow in the last couple of years and this year it's snowing for the second time already and I was so excited. I just wanted to get my house in order so I can chill on the couch later and watch out of the window. We just had lunch and I was editing all day before I started filming this, so I was kinda neglecting this kitchen all day, so I will take care of everything now, so everything is clean for me to start cooking dinner later. I really hate cooking in a messy kitchen, so I always like to at least do the dishes and wipe down the counters before I start. So I just cleaned the dining table and now I'm moving to the dishes. I'm putting away the clean dishes to make space for all the dirty dishes I have to wash, and I will also wipe down the countertops. I really hope you're not sick of Christmas music yet, but I really had to put it in this video since it was snowing outside. And if you're new here and you're enjoying this video and cleaning in general, or you need that little push sometimes before you start cleaning, please consider subscribing to my channel. I mostly upload cleaning and organization videos and occasional decorating video, and since I'm doing Vlogmas this year, I shared a baking recipe a couple of days ago and I have 2 or 3 more planned.
Cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm off for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love.
Now that I'm finally done with the dishes, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the stove top, and then I'm going to clean the inside and outside of the microwave, and I will also wipe down all the appliances.
Reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun.
Now I'm just drying and putting away all the clean dishes so I can scrub the entire sink so it's going to be nice and shiny.
We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
The last thing I will do here is vacuum because there were a lot of crumbs on the floor on this day, and today I'm using my cordless vacuum because it's easier and quicker and the floors weren't that bad. I mostly use the other vacuum now because it has much better suction than this one. I really love this one, but it was just not made for animal hair. It gets clogged very easily, so I have to take the whole vacuum apart every time I'm done so I can clean out everything. Moving into the living room, and I will just tidy up and fix the couch, and I will also vacuum, and I will also vacuum the stairs that are leading up to the living room.
How much
will also vacuum this hallway. We have a cat toilet here, so there is always some cat litter on the floor, so I have to sweep or vacuum here constantly.
Come on, I need to hear you now.
The last room I'm taking care of today is my bathroom, which was extremely messy. I'm not going to do a deep clean here. I will just clean the toilet and the sink, and I will also wipe down and organize the shelf above the sink. I haven't cleaned this shelf in a month probably, and you will see that it was pretty dusty. I'm taking everything off and I will use my bathroom cleaner to scrub it down.
It's an early December morning. No one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the coffee.
I will put this toilet bowl cleaner in, and I'm also spraying the entire toilet with this bathroom cleaner, and while that is working I will pick up this big pile of dirty laundry and move it into the laundry room to be washed.
I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard, but I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful present, a gift that comes in the shape of a heart, and I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and round. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. And if I were to make a wish upon a star, would it be too much to ask? A place forever in your arms, and for this moment to last, because I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and round. And I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and round.
And that is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this cozy snowy day clean with me. I felt so good after I was done because everything was freshly cleaned, so I just relaxed on the couch with hot chocolate and Christmas movie after I was done. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!
Just like these snowflakes.